Saturday ampaye bedwa wo National Theatre. Abusua hia me kind fourth lesson. Ye ginamu den me short to ticket no. A star 714 star 003 star 3 hash. Star 714 star 003 star 3 hash. Buy your ticket. 30 Ghana cedis per. We any per no more. We said that you be 150. What bra? Fi money na how much sorry. Any abusia mmaji money wati. Let's have fun. Let's meet. E bra so say ye di nkomo nene. Nkomo aye bedie me kan me say fasting ne de aya na aye no because brodo no 21 days na master say me sire nyame. Say na de o fa nche me na me break because brodo no say dey see fa me hunim wa ha no. Eh. Na brodo ne hwam sa no. Wow. Na ye hwe na me kwa na me nim say ye wo soy flour ho. Enti no mba be kirekirem. Soy flour na kwa de ade ya di tu brodo ye ya kan de baby na de ka ho na ma baby na betimi e de ato me wo Joshua Jamfi na Steven Lamte wo mu nyina atena se me nko ho na ye ni pa no ho enkomo mbenimfo mama kwa ba
ania
na mpombo ko de
nyado
enesere mesi di twi na tata ho no enesere mesi di twi atata wo fi ha no menya wo no de ho
say do kuma da 70 twi na enchara te ne papa inti
ba ye be fa no sa online no
be fa this
okay ba me say say free Steven Lamte so soy flour for bread and more. What is it about?
So the Soy Flour campaign is a campaign, it's an awareness campaign which where we are educating Ghanaians about the benefits of including soy in their diet.
Okay.
And you know, soy is a type of bean which we all know it can be used for milk, it can be used for several other things, but this time we are focusing on the soy flour.
Okay.
So we are training commercial bakers on how to add or incorporate soy flour into their baking. The campaign says soy flour for bread and more, but that means you can use soy flour to bake bread, you can use it to bake cake, you can do chips, even to bake fruit. You can even use soy flour for that.
Oh wow!
This campaign has been running for the past 2 years. Last year we started with training bakers from different points of Ghana in Sunyani. We took them step by step on how to add the soy flour to their bread or their baking products.
Okay. Yes. All right. I said the all kind of say soy flour no. Enfie mienu ni na omo fato omo so mbeye ncheche mo manfo ate ase flour bebre ho na so uni padua no hia soy ni bi wom ye wona mak wo ho na flour nso yetimi de tutogbo yetimi de ye bibia nte ho akohia se anya bia ye be switch na ye die no se be benya soy kakra we ni padua emo enti mamenko Joshua so ho Joshua 2 years na mo start campaign ye hwe so far omo ade omo ho agimo no omo asomu sen
yo anopa beda ase any ahwefo any bread boutique customers ni na
okay
and also na bread boutique edi 10 years
10 years Ghana. Wow.
Until we are starting our 10-year anniversary today.
Oh, congratulations. Then it's about Bedi Pano.
Yeah, Bedi Pano.
Yeah, about Bedi Pano.
Yeah, danyamiasi yesterday soy flour campaign. Your customers no moji to mu. Maybe atwe mu na nipa bebre nim infasudia ewo soy flour so. Until can soy bean no kra na bebre na adwane say o soy yesi wodi a we be ma uhuni ho ana ensem bebre.
Wow.
Anti ye introduce ye no ye samples amount for the na omo hu say soybean na ye the only plant protein ewo niama wande ewo even meat fish ewo ni nyina bi
ewo sa bean
okay utumi nya anwa kra frame onya milk frame
because ye hu soy milk de ye hu bebre
aha na ewo niama kra emua bema ye mema wo ya ho odimu
okay
niama bebre ebo ankola ti se o nia aduane emo ni anwa wanfa enama nka ho eden na wo
so wonya hwe na mo use soy oil na
soy oil and how the soy flour no crack normal wheat flour no e say one money edi enama ka ho
na sanka ne na na yese budi broda wonya hwe mfi say because of soy flour
edi aka ho nti aye complete meal yes
okay okay
aha anti soy flour dey eboa bebre bebre your customers ne bebre na agi to mu nti ekoye pa
wow
omo enya enso bi nhwe no ye be advise omo say omo take advantage of this 10-year anniversary because ye be chiche brodo ni bi pa wo shop.
Okay.
Nti omo beto mi abeka bi ahwe.
Okay, all right. Steve, you've been interacting with people. What are some of their success stories?
So throw back to 2022 where we started. We trained over 40 bakers in Sunyani. This year we decided to do a one-on-one baking training with commercial bakers across Ghana.
Okay.
And so far, like Joshua said, it's been great. The reception has been so great and so warm. People didn't really know what the flour was about, but after the baking sessions, we also had a sampling session where we introduced customers to the product. And so far, I can say like it's been so great and marvelous. Currently, we've trained over 80 bakers in Ghana.
Okay.
And we aim to train more bakers on how to incorporate soy into their baking products.
Okay. Joshua, training no afi na mo ya na say throughout the year time be a training na ekoso.
I'll take that.
Okay.
It's throughout the year.
Throughout the year.
Yeah, but it's regional based.
Okay.
Yeah, so this, like I said, this year we've been to several regions. So next year we also start. Once the schedule is out, we'll just let everyone know.
Okay. Okay. Next year training no mo ye na mantem mo. Nti bosu ye ko mantem because afimu ni nyina wo mugusu aye adwuma. Nti asad we no mbe choose mantem bi no mbe ma ye hu. Ti omo ba o mantem mo na o mato won kra no abo a wo pese wusua kwane a wo fa so ede soy flour eto pan no aye niema ahodo bi a pastries bi ano a wonom ebe kyerɛw ni nyina aye. Eti ma menko Joshua ho. So far campaign ya mo ye mo pese say na mo pese sesa omanfo abrabo impact be na mo pese because minim say mo promote a healthy eating habit. Yes. Apart from that na dia bi na mo pese Ghana for eti ase na omo so sa soy flour mo.
Okay. Once and nansen dia wudi and kire mfedu do obedi asase so. What you eat is what determines how long you are going to live. Enti enye say ufa isam any margin keke what to pan already. And no ntina ukọ ayaresa bia bebre on be catch yourself pan onye. Wodi bebre be how. But when you use the right ingredient, wodi soy flour ne kan ho a. They say what the balanced diet.
Wow.
Anti a person man for United as say gone are the days we just take flour and margarine. What bake woody.
Okay.
As I said, yen system because technology advancing na niema bebre ebam. Enti wusua sa niema na ebeboa wo ama wanyini ache.
Sa soy flour ye kan e wodwa so a obi abetumi akwakope bi ato na limited a je se wo frɛ obi anza wanya bi.
E wodwa so na wo contact
openye ya. Okay. Okay. It's how do we access this soy flour? Is it restricted and I say honoma obi abetumi ato bi?
No, I mean it's on the market, but we are trying to also increase the reach across Ghana. So currently it's on the market. Okay. You can contact us on 054 012 8001
8001
if you want to purchase soy flour.
Okay. Enti de ya kanyina na say soy flour no esam na ye ka ho asem no pebi ato a oto pano enka ne na na said waka no fama gye no afa sam wo sema ye pano awie se wo hia pano a obi di a anuane mu wom protein ahoɔden ni nyina bi wom wo amfa drink bi anka ho ko odi anu wi a we good to go se o pesa sam na ye ka ho asɛm ni bi ma number wo bo me sam na bo number ni bi pepe ne pepa ne kyerɛ ne from we bi on be kyerɛ bebi e ben na wakoto bi the contact again
054 012 8001.
Yes. Okay, well, Joshua, your branding team, who are foot will be a person de ma Ghana for more hurry and pay.
Yo, the American ya share for you na and he say upe say woodidi a dear journey pa. As not necessarily say just or buy a bakery and sanawanya pan wato. Soy flour no market. Ube to me access if to me anya biato. But sa dream pony say soy bean enye with the soy yes say we be yo omuntugo.
Okay.
Ayadada. Nti now knowledge is just at the tip of a finger. Wo fa phone call go a wo be hu soy flour no ne hu fa so de wo so.
Okay.
You say pan no egu hai. E be a butter ba soy enhanced butter. E be a milk bread ba soy enhanced milk bread.
Wow.
Enti ya yenim de apomdi mfaso de wo milk mu. Yenim mfaso de wo soy mu. Na ni nyina ya ka bo mu e de aye pan no ama. Wa wo hwe a wo de a.
Yada mu masepa ebusia na sempadimfo a wo mo ebo soy flour ho dero sade ye de eye pano ye de togbo ye de ton pastries ahodo nyina se wokọ oto normal flour no kra no a ka so mo ma soy flour nka ho na fa ye ade na nye de na apomuden no enye kama ejo mo ne nyina betwetwe enkomo no mo kire mfaso de ye a ewo so 2023 soy flour for bread and more campaign and na ye de ho enkomo twetwe abro no say do betime di brodo enkan na wudi ase ahodi nim o mama ye hu se de ahodi wo mo no ewo ho na enche na me call St Andrew Senior High School so mo bi mato ho admission no mo je form 1 form 2 form 3 me show eno mo ninkita ho SHS courses na mo run bi ho campuses ne doso asimfo su Accra ni wadu bi ase dunkwa odofe mankasim shama ene sehwia sanwen so eho nyina nice campus ho ma chechefo no beje bre no ma kire wo mana de mo da cha yefe 0244696911 and afi 0207891004 St Andrews for ebeje so Dominion Herbal Powder so ebre na swing osori anopa wo hia immune booster me show penso e de kakra na sa Dominion Herbal Powder nkra ketwa no a ye de mo mukoko no ni wanum enane ya na wanom enwumre obeda nso anom bi saa ansa na wada wo na ba bia ye wo ye bia no pe Dominion eye herbal ointment na fatutwi fra Angel Dominion penifo na ginchimu 0543158195 ana 0249591843 no beje so me show akwada wonya obi a wonya mfinhia dumienu nka ho wa wo ma akwada nufo won so a wonyam won so won ka ho ebi sa nwumakoi na ekura yemu ama enkomotwetwe mede bro na Piwak Natural Health Fund so wo mu ekura yemu abra na ebusua meko na kaise wo hia me a eya freme anochewa ba adrasewa ene ye wukuada enti no de aka kire nyina no ebeto aso 9 lessons ye hia makra